put a $20 bill in my second spin. The first one was messed up. It was only a 20-cent bet, but my first dollar spin, I got $31.68. Beautiful. This is all the way across. So I'm going to do, my 20 is now $50. I'm going to do 3 backups. Okay, I'm going to travel. Thanks for watching. Lady Does Vlogs. Okay, I come over to Sierra Gold, and I got 4 of the bonuses. Don't be a bonus bummer. Come on now. Give me the balls. Since I start out with $15, so let's go. Up and along. Always go with right, because I'm a righty. Come on. Balls. Oh, terrible. See, it's going to be a bummer. Come on. Where's my wilds? Okay. At least give me something else. Oh, there we go. Still on my 20 that I put in a Giesha. $24. Come on, do it. Okay. $70. 3 backup spins. Come on. One more. Do it. I gotta do 2 more now. 1 more. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, come over to Dragon Riches. Let's go. Come on, baby. Give me those dragons. Oh. Come on, don't be a bummer. Do it. Come on. Yes. We at least got something there. Last game. Okay, we'll do 3 backup spins. Quick bonus. One more. Okay, thanks for watching. Lady Does Vlogs. Give me a comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and click my bell. Okay, now I came over to Eyes of Fortune. Let's go, baby. Come on. Tigers. Come on, Tigers. Give me a big whip. Fill it up with this. That's the biggest thing. Come on, 3 games left. Get my $5 back. Oh. Okay, let's do 3 backups. Yeah, that would have been nice. And 1 more. Oh. Let's try 2 more. We'll go to 70. 1 more. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, I came back to another Giesha. Let's see what we could do on this one. Come on, baby. $1 bet. 20 free games. Come on, give me a big one. Come on, Giesha. Come on, Giesha. Come on. Games left. Come on, Giesha. Come on, we're at $12. Come on, re-trigger. Oh. $16. 9 games left. Come on. Come on, I want a coin show, Giesha. Come on, Giesha. $17. Come on, do it. 4 games left, $21. 2 games left. 1 more game, come on. Okay, we got $24. My ticket's at $92. 2 backup spins. Oh, I was only betting 50 cents. Sorry about that. I normally bet $1. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up and click on my bell. Okay, come over to Mr. Wu next door. I haven't played this in a long time. Only lost $3. Let's see what we can get. Oh, that's it? Oh, okay. We'll play 3 more. Got my money back. Try 3 more. One more. Ah, what the heck, 1 more. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh, I got the big one for the tents. Let's see what we can get. Come on now. I forget how this goes. Let's see if we can get a progressive. I don't know what I forget. I haven't played this in so long. I don't know what I got. Oh, $20. Okay. If I would have gotten this one, I would have gotten the major. But I'll take $20. Can't stop it. Mr. Lucy. Sorry, I can't stop it. I'll do 3 more spins. Okay, we'll try 3 more spins. One more. Oh, almost got it again. We'll do 1 more. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Line 20 is now 100. I am leaving the building.